Alright, what's up guys? This is the first stream of making a Win32 calculator in C++, and I'll be learning both C++ and Win32 along the way. So, first thing I gotta do here, I forgot to change the subsys in the windows before stream. But yeah, I believe we're gonna start off with just a win main here, if I can type correctly. I believe it is h instance, another h instance. If IntelliSense would work, that'd be great. Believe it might help if I include the Windows header. That might indeed be a little helpful. And we also need a LP stir called just LP stir, and then a int in cmd show, and then return 0. I can find it. But yeah, first thing I'm gonna do, believe, is I might have to look at documentation a couple times during the stream because I am not super familiar with the Win32 API. That's why I'm learning it here. But yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is create a window class. I believe WC is, and then we're gonna do just the h instance is equal to instance. This is gonna be class name. I'm gonna make a macro here for the name of the class. Be equal to, let's call this I don't know, WinCalc WC. I'll do that equal to class name CB size equal to size of WC dot CLS extra is 0, not along WC do CR background is going to be equal to HBrush. What is it? Just BG, I believe, or window background. Background. Color background, there it is. Okay. Each cursor is going to be equal to null pointer or null, it doesn't matter. Each icon is going to be equal to null. TLS extra, I already did that one. Window proc is going to be the defaults for now. You see menu name is going to be null for now. WC style is going to be, what is it? Style No, it's with like WS. No, it's W. Which one is it? I believe it's WS caption. I believe that's what it is. And I believe that's it. So we're gonna do register window class, or actually, yeah. What is it? Let's see here. Win32 window class. Registering it is register class EX. There it is. Okay. Have you see, and then we're gonna do try and remember what the window is. How to actually create the window. To create window. There it is. Yeah, create the window class. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see what it is now. It's window EX. Style. Just gonna make this null for now. I'll make the window style. Let's make this WS caption for now, and I'll do class name is gonna be class name, and we'll do the go ahead do the window name to be, it's called stream calc, and then yeah, yeah. What's the error here? Okay. do it this way. This might make it a little easier. We'll just do, for this, I'll just do const std string call this just window class. So we'll do it the official way. We'll do an LP user. Call it. You know what? We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do this right here. Dude. Fuck. Hold on. I cannot read apparently today. We'll do the width to be like 300 by, we'll do like 800, and I'll see what that looks like whenever we actually get it done. But we'll do null h instance and null not more not more no. There you go. Okay, so now we will go ahead and show window or show window WD and you'll also see, there you go. Okay, so hopefully we have no errors so far and it will run. Yeah, it creates the window. It's way too tall. We have to be like 300 by like 600. But yeah. There, yeah, it's better. But yeah, that is the window created so far. Yes, the next thing we need to do is create the message loop. Okay, yeah, so we just need to do it like this. So we need to pull the chat up real quick again. while get message. We need to make a message first. Oh yeah, it needs to be a pointer to the message. That makes sense because it's a long pointer. That makes sense. I may do head sometimes, but yeah. Let's see here. It should be, what is it? HW and D, I believe. This is filter minimum. It's gonna be 0 and 0. Actually, I believe this should be null. You look at the thing for get message. Because I don't know why that needs to be null. Get message simple. It's not what I need. Get message function, there it is. Okay. It's gonna need the HWD to. Yeah, so that would just be the window then. It's not gonna be. I don't know why it was trying to make it. Null, but yeah. Yeah. I'll go ahead and make the translate message and a dispatch message. And then we are going to create the window procedure, which I completely forgot how to do. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Start clear back. Else SC window procedure. That is going to be a window handler. Unsigned int. A W param. And an A param. I believe this is just going to be a massive switch statement, kind of going through all of the messages. This one shall be post quit message 0 and return 0. And I'll do default. Go ahead and do default break for now. And we Oh shit, hold on. There we go. And return default window procedure. That's not it. Yeah, I'll just pass in everything that I just gave this procedure, which will be yeah, break, and then I believe we change this to just be the SC window procedure. I believe everything will work for now. There's no window. Let's get to change this to overlap window, and we'll see if it works again. Click that. Still not painting. I probably have to do not paint. It won't quit either. Okay. Interesting. So let me do case paint. Yeah, we will go ahead and do paint instructs. Begin paint. I'll go to HWD. And a pointer to paint instruct. We'll just fill the rectangle for now with that. in Paint with the window handle, accelerate, and then pointer to the paint instruct. Yes, E-turn. Builders, where at? Yeah, it's right there, dude. There it goes. Got our calculator here, and if we close it, it closes. Heck yeah. That's how you do it right there. Just reading about comp right now. Okay, so we need to co-initialize EX. Is the function or is the... Yeah, I guess that's the function, I guess. No, it's not. Okay. So we would do, okay, after this, each results, if I can spell correctly, jar is equal to co-initialize EX. And co-init underscore disable that. Okay. Does that change a single thing? Probably not. But we will see. Nope. does not change a single thing. But hey, we have it now, so that's good. I create a button. Really? You have to create a window for every single control you make? That's kind of stupid. Okay, we can try it. You create window. Fuck, what? Okay, so we just need to use, I guess, the default one. Default window class, I guess. Yeah. Just do. just need to... Oh, that's why, because it's like that. That, in fact, did not fix it, because I did it twice. Alright, continue, yeah. With was to like 10, 10, 30, 30. And let's do age instance. Where? Like, hold on. Just looking for the error here. I don't know why it is doing that. Oh, that's why. Because I forgot to finish the function. There you go. Alright, let's see if we get a button. We do! Whoa! Look at that. That's actually pretty cool. I will move this down. We'll make it like... So we'll make it like 310, maybe? And we'll leave that at 10. And then... Wait, it's X. We'll leave that at 10. Make that 310. And let me try and make another one. Let's close button 1, button 2. Oh yeah, I need to change the X position to like... So it's 30 wide, so I need to make it like 40, or yeah, 40. Let me see if that will work. That looks right. Let's give it like 50. I'll see if that works. Yeah, it looks super cool, actually. Click it, does absolutely nothing, but we can click it. And yeah. I will probably go ahead and make the rest of these buttons today and then end the stream after that. Because, or at least all the number buttons for now, because we've been going for about 40 minutes now. 3, and then so make this 90 for now. We'll see. So I added this to make this, what is 10 again? And then 3010 minus 40 is 270. Just make sure that's right before I make more of them. I need to do that. I did the math the wrong way, in the wrong direction. Yeah, cool. So that's good to know. So I guess it goes y up here is 0, and then down here is the max, I guess. So that's good to know. Yeah. And I'll make it 260, or make it 350. And that'll make it easier to compile. Or I mean, easier to do the math anyway. Yeah, there you go. 4. I need to change the text to make it 4. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Win32 is pretty easy, actually. Or at least for now it is. I don't know if later on it will be, but, you know. For now, it is. I'll do some more research after off stream. And hopefully we can get some more done, make the buttons look prettier, and make the actual calculator for it. It's that one 10, this one 390, 3030. That should be 567. Yes, that should be 8. 90. I'm sorry, we're at, yeah, 3090. That should be 50 again. And this last one should be 90 and 390. Whoops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wonder if you can make these like an array and initialize them all at once. I doubt it, but you never know. And yeah, we got a pretty cool looking keypad right now. So now I will probably just make like, just center them. So it is, the whole window is going to be 300 by 600. So X, so if I want to be centered, it's going to be 150 minus 15, which is going to be 35. Oops, hold on. And 10 is going to be that minus 40, which is going to be 95. That's going to be 175. I might change the window size later, but yeah, we might have to like make these constants as well, these sizes, so it'll be a lot easier to a lot easier to input these numbers in, but for now we're just gonna do it literally. Yeah, and 175. So I believe this should work. These should be centered. I believe I need to subtract 15 from both of these, but other than that, should be good. Yeah, those look really wonky, those two do, but other than that, yeah, it looks good for now. So, because I didn't write the numbers in right, so I do. Alright, that looks good for now. Later on, I'll make some equal sign. I mean, the operators, and then an equal sign, and hopefully soon we'll get to make an actual calculator work and make it look pretty later on. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of this episode and this stream for now, and I will see you guys in the next one. And all of this will be on GitHub as well. It's just called Stream Calculator. I will pull it up real quick before I leave, and then where is it at? Profile. Yeah, here it is. Here's the GitHub repository for the. I just made it for stream, so it's pretty basic, but I'll go ahead and pull all the code from today to it after I end stream, and yeah, it's just called Stream Calc on my GitHub right here, and then you guys can look at it anytime you want if you want to follow along with the code. And I will see you guys next time.